Hello everyone, welcome again to my vlog. My name is Listy and Shobah. I'm from class 3B. So in today's vlog, I want to share my first PLB experience. But before I start my video or my story, I'm really sorry. My English is not good. I can't speak well, but I try to share my story, and I hope you understand about what I'm talking about. Yeah, thank you. Okay, so here, if you don't know, PLP is observation that we do at school. And my team consists of 3%. We do observation in senior high school in Cirebon, and we do observation to know about the school, like the school environment, the classroom, the learning process, and we want to join the ceremony in Monday morning, to know the process and the activities there. And the most important thing, we want to interview some teachers and students to know their opinion about the school and to show more about the school. Okay, so we went to that school at 9 March 2020. But unfortunately, when we arrived there, the school was having an exam. So we feel excited at first, but after we know the situation there, we just feel nervous because we're afraid that we are bothering the school activity. But we're grateful that we met one teachers. The teachers there are very friendly to us, and one of the teacher bring us to a room, and we talk about our plan to do the observation at that school. And we give her an observation letter from our school, and after that she told us that we should wait until tomorrow to know about the decision, the principal decision or the school decision. So when we can do the observation. And so at the next day, we back again to the school. We met the principal. He is very kind and friendly. He told us that we can do the observation, but we can do it at 19 March 2020 because as we know that the school was having an exam. To be honest, my team feel so disappointed, a little bit disappointed because it takes too long time. But we respect the decision and we appreciate it. So we went home and have some discussion to prepare the observation. We have think again that about the school decision, and we realized that we didn't have many time. So we tried to contact the teacher again. Maybe we can do it in another date. We can do it. We want to do it at 16 March, not in 19 March. So we contact the teacher and ask politely as possible, ask the permission, and the school. We are so happy that the school allow us to do it at 16 March. We are so happy. We have we prepare properly in 1 week. And at the next week we are ready to do the observation. And in the next week, after we prepare all the things, unfortunately the school is closed. It's because all the school in our country is closed because as you know, in this year 2020, I think it's become very sad year because of the COVID-19 pandemic. So yeah, we failed to do the observation and we are so sad. But yeah, we have to appreciate it. We hope that this pandemic will end soon so we can do the next observation safely. Yeah, that's my story about my short story about my PLP experience this year. We failed to do it, but we still grateful. So yeah, that's my story, my experience. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. So see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.